clanking. Holy moly.
Yeah, he's tired.
How would you like to listen to that at night? Oh my goodness.
Somebody didn't finish his coffee. That's why he's tired.
Chasing a baby.
Yeah.
We're chasing a baby all day.
He's out. His eyes are closed. He's all spread out.
That was a good one. You're not sleeping in my bed tonight.
I know. He's loud now.
Keep me awake.
I know.
Maybe you should lose about 20 pounds, Cody.
Yeah, no.
Don't snore so bad.
Right.
Nothing like a snoring dog. Like, really? Could you sleep with that? I don't think so.
This is going on YouTube.
And I'm telling you, it can get much louder. This is the tip of the iceberg. I would like that right in your ear.
He's out.
Mm-hmm.
This is so going on YouTube.
You might win the contest, Cody, for the best snoring dog. Get you a blue ribbon. Okay, come on, get a big one out there. I think you might have sleep apnea, Cody.
He might.
You might have to get one of those masks. Too funny. In the camper, and Cody is totally relaxed. We're camping out in the camper.
Oh, this is too funny.
He says, I have my laptop out here, all my goodies, and I'm snoozing.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go camping more, Mama.
Mm-hmm.